As reported by Fighter Bomber on November 13, 2024, Russia's new NV-17 hybrid helicopter, developed by Heliburo, has reached the technical design phase. This marks a significant milestone following its preliminary and draft design stages. The NV-17, envisioned as a medium-class helicopter with versatile capabilities, addressing a wide range of military and civilian applications. Its first flight is planned for 2027, with development proceeding under the backdrop of Russia's efforts to modernize its rotary-wing fleet amid operational challenges. The NV-17 integrates a hybrid power plant and a combat control system, which are expected to enhance fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. Designed to cover up to 50 kilometers in 7 minutes and remain airborne for up to 7 hours on a single fuel reserve, the helicopter is ideal for long-range and high-speed missions. A retractable landing gear system further improves aerodynamic performance, maximizing speed and efficiency during flight. For combat roles, the NV-17 can be equipped with unguided rocket launchers, providing fire support capabilities. These features position it as a robust and adaptable asset capable of troop transport, cargo delivery, and direct combat support. Although the NV-17 is still in the development phase, it is intended to replace or complement aging platforms like the Mi-8 or Mi-17 in Russia's military and civilian sectors. Designed to operate in diverse environments, it is expected to serve in Arctic missions, urban combat scenarios, and high-altitude operations. Its hybrid power plant is particularly suited for reducing logistical constraints in fuel-dependent missions, making it valuable in remote or contested regions. Once operational, the NV-17 will likely be integrated into key units of the Russian aerospace forces and civilian agencies. It is expected to serve in military transport and logistics, disaster response and humanitarian aid and combat operations, providing fire support in conflict zones with modular configurations for weapon systems. The helicopter could also be marketed to international clients, particularly those seeking cost-effective alternatives to Western models. Its versatility and expected lower acquisition and operational costs may appeal to countries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. The NV-17 aligns with modern military requirements for flexible, multi-role aircraft capable of operating in asymmetric and high-intensity conflict environments. Its hybrid propulsion system and extended endurance offer advantages in persistent operations such as surveillance, logistics, and rapid response missions. Given the significant losses in Russia's helicopter fleet during the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, estimated at 10% of its total fleet, the NV-17 will play a critical role in replenishing operational capabilities. Its medium-class profile bridges the gap between lightweight helicopters like the unmatched and heavy lifters such as the Mi-26 T2V. In the medium-class helicopter segment, the NV-17 faces competition from established models. The UH-60 Black Hawk, known for its reliability and proven combat record, the Black Hawk offers superior interoperability with NATO forces, but is costlier than Russian platforms. The NH-90, this twin-engine, multi-role helicopter, features advanced avionics and long-range capabilities, making it ideal for naval and tactical missions. However, its operational costs and maintenance requirements can be limiting. The Z-20 of China, a recent competitor inspired by the Black Hawk, boasts affordability and local production advantages, targeting markets similar to those of Russian helicopters. The NV-17's hybrid power plant and extended endurance offer unique selling points, particularly for nations prioritizing fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. The NV-17's success will depend on meeting its ambitious performance goals and maintaining cost efficiency. If it achieves its design objectives, the helicopter could strengthen Russia's military modernization efforts while addressing gaps in its air mobility capabilities. Its modular design also ensures adaptability for future technology advancements, such as unmanned operations or enhanced electronic warfare suites. In the international market, the NV-17 may find success in regions seeking alternatives to Western and Chinese offerings, especially in countries with existing Russian equipment inventories. The NV-17 hybrid helicopter represents a critical step in Russia's efforts to modernize its helicopter fleet. Its versatile design, hybrid propulsion system, and multi-role functionality position it as a valuable asset for both military and civilian applications. Amid rising global competition and domestic challenges, the NV-17 has the potential to become a cornerstone of Russia's rotary-wing capabilities, ensuring operational resilience and relevance in the evolving landscape of modern warfare.